Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and here's the best way yet. This is part 3 of feathering some edges of a photograph. So I'm going to back up here and show you what I did. There's the photograph. I've already converted it to a bitmap. Well, I am real quick. Now it is. I backed up too far. Then go to bitmap and see, then all these are open now or ready. And then go to vignette. Pick rectangle, or you can pick a circle or ellipse, and then you can change the fade, to a lot to a little, and change your offset, to give it more in the center. Let me move this out of the way so you can kind of see it. So that's probably too much, but then click OK. Well, then you can still go to creative and go to frame, and voila, the edges look more feathered because they're actually fading out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.